For the defense,
Anthony Cantrell.
are you David Allen Martin?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Barton, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge. No, I'm sorry, Judge. This is 4087.
Yes.
State is proceeding solely on count one, waiving and abandoning all remaining counts. And do you have both cause numbers?
Yes.
Or are we just doing one at a time?
No, I'm going to go to that first one, that one next. I just want to make sure we have this one.
No problem, Judge.
So you're waiving counts 2 through 13?
That's correct, Judge.
Any objection?
No objections.
And then the next case is 2023 CR 4088, State of Texas versus David Allen Martin. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in that case?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery in that cause number. Mr. Martin, in that case, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge. State is proceeding solely on count one and waiving and abandoning the remaining counts.
No objections.
Okay. So count 2 through 5 are waived without objection. Mr. Martin, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 4087, you're charged with the offense of promotion of as a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 4088, you're charged with the range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and a possible fine of $10,000. Did you understand? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the state is requesting that your punishment be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. The cause numbers will run concurrently. State will take in consideration 2023 CR 4144, 2023 CR 4143, and there's to be Chapter 62 compliance in each cause number. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, I'm showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that was a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in count one, ending in the cause number 4088, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And cause number ending in 4087 to count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence to support the defendant's pleas of guilty.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments in each cause number.
No objections.
In each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them and did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. In each cause number at the review and State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And each cause number, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you spoken with the complainant?
Yes, Judge.
And is she aware of this?
She is, Judge. She's actually currently in juvenile detention.
Okay.
She received a tampering with evidence case, and we're actually trying to get her treatment at this time, Judge. So she is aware.
All right. Is there anything you'd like to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we just asked the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right, what would you like to say?
I don't have anything to say.
I'm sorry, I cannot hear you. You need to speak up.
I'm sorry for my actions, man.
Oh, are you sorry for your actions, or is it because your attorney told you to say you're sorry?
I'm sorry for my actions. It's just a lot. You know,
Are you married?
A lot of resort. I plan on getting married.
Who are you getting married to? Does she know about this case? I'm sorry?
She's in the courtroom.
Ah, so she knows that you
You know,
were having sex with an underage child.
honest with her about it.
I'm sorry,
I
what?
was honest about it with everything.
And she still wants to be with you. Do you have any children?
I do not.
All right, and I see that the child was 16. Well, I mean, not you believe so. In the police report, it says that she told you she was 16.
She didn't tell me anything.
I think he found out after the fact.
He found out while they were together, Judge. Yes.
Okay, so you knew. And the person you're with who's here to be with you and support you, does she have children?
No, ma'am.
And how old is she?
She's 34.
And who
She
is it?
complainant as well, Judge. She was there during this whole time.
What is her name?
She's in the police report. Lauren Messwich.
Let me find her in the police report. And you say it's Lauren, Lauren?
That's correct, Judge.
And how do you spell the last name?
I might chop it up. Messwich, Mesch, I believe, WICH. He's in one of the reports.
All right, let me see if I can find her. Do you know how to spell her last name?
It's one MESH.
Would you like me to locate it for you, Judge?
Yes, please. All right, it's Lauren Elizabeth, and the last name is Meschwitz. All right, and so she's the person who wanted to have a threesome with the underage person, correct?
It
I'm sorry?
was both of us.
All right. And cause number 4088, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will not run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 4087. Take in consideration 2023 CR 4144. 2023 CR 4143. There's Chapter 62 compliance. No contact with the following: the complainant and Lauren Elizabeth Meschwitz, and give you credit for any time served. So your relationship with her is over. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Meschwitz, if you're not on the docket, you can leave the courtroom because your relationship with Mr. Martin is over. And cause number 4087, the court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will not run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 4088. Take in consideration 2023 CR 4144, 2023 CR 4143, Chapter 62 registration. There's to be no contact with the complainant and no contact with Lauren Elizabeth Meschwitz. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right. And each cause number, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them and did you sign them? All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, whether you're telling me you knew she was only 16 or not, at the end of the day, you knew that the person that you were using was going through some drama in their life, and you were seeking to build your happiness off that person's misery. You cannot do that in this world. Do you understand? All right, at least good human beings do not. Good luck to you.